In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create SMS list Klaviyo. To get started, you will be working inside Klaviyo's main dashboard. The goal is to create a list that will help you organize contacts for SMS marketing. Lists also make it easier to manage who receives messages and to keep your campaigns targeted and organized. Make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you can see the left side navigation panel before you continue. First, click Audience in the left panel. This is where Klaviyo groups tools related to subscribers, segments, and lists. When you click Audience, you will typically see options appear that help you create and manage different kinds of audience groupings. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right section, because the next choices are specifically for lists and segments. Next, click Lists and Segments. This option is usually located within the audience area, and it is the place where you can create a new list from scratch. Lists are a straightforward way to group subscribers based on your own criteria. Segments can be more dynamic, but in this video we are creating a list, so you want to make sure you land on the correct page that includes list creation controls. After that, click Create List/Segment, which is typically shown at the top right of the screen. This button is the starting point for building a new audience grouping. If you do not see it immediately, look across the top area of the Lists and Segments section to find the Creation button, since Klaviyo often uses the header area for these actions. Now, after you click Create List/Segment, you will be guided into the setup area for the new list. Before you enter anything, notice what the page is asking for. You will see a field where you can name your list. Naming matters because it helps you identify the list later when you are selecting audiences for campaigns. A clear name also makes it easier to manage multiple lists over time. Then name your list. Choose a name that makes sense for your SMS audience, such as something that reflects the purpose of the list and how it will be used. Keep the name simple and memorable, because you will likely reuse it when you set up future SMS broadcasts. Once you have typed the name, review it quickly to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. This small step saves time later when you are searching for the correct list. Finally, click Create List. This confirms the creation and sends your list into Klaviyo so it becomes available for use in campaigns and flows. After you click Create List, it may take a brief moment for the page to load and update. When the process finishes, you should see that your new list has been added to your lists area. At this point, you have successfully created your SMS list in Klaviyo. The key actions were moving into Audience, opening lists and segments, choosing the Create option, naming the list, and confirming it. From here, you can begin adding subscribers or using the list as the audience target for your SMS messaging. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.